Hi there, I'm David Coffey from Bosley Real Estate, and I'm here today to give you 3 tips on what renovations give you the best return on your real estate investment. And I'm standing here in front of my 3rd floor washroom that I just renovated to help illustrate some of my points. Tip number 1, get rid of any weirdness when you're doing your renovation. As you can see here, I am standing in front of a skylight that didn't exist before. This washroom had no window whatsoever. The vanity used to be right here, and then you would wash your hands, and then you had a slanted wall here, and then there would be nowhere to put a mirror, so you had to look that way. So it was pretty strange. So I've then moved the mirror over there and added the vanity there, and now it's like a normal washroom. So that's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is know where to splurge. So in this washroom, because it's a small space, you can spend more money on the tiles and the fixtures because there's less square footage in here and it doesn't cost quite as much money because of that space. So in this washroom here, I could spend more money on the big white tiles in the background there. I think you can see it. And then if you go down here, you can see I bought some nice hexagon tiles for the floor. So those little details make a difference when people are buying, and it doesn't cost as much money because it's a smaller space. Tip number 3 is to make sure that you do your renovations and then sell within 5 years. If you're lucky, you can stretch it to 10 years, but after that, it may feel dated, and then your renovations aren't going to be as amazing to the buyers as you anticipated. So there you go, 3 tips on what renovations give you the best return on your real estate investment. I'm David Coffey from Bosley Real Estate.